Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best door swing is probably one of the most versatile and entertaining additions you can make to your child's play space, offering endless hours of fun and physical activity right within the safety of your home. Imagine the joy on your little one's face as they experience the thrill of swinging indoors, a magical experience that can be enjoyed regardless of the weather outside, promoting gross motor skills and coordination in a secure and controlled environment. Number 5. Safety First Easy Install Walk-Through Baby Gate. Create safe spaces for your little ones and furry friends. This versatile gate helps keep them contained, but never use it at the top of stairs. Setting up your new gate is a breeze, no tools required. Its pressure-mounted design offers flexibility for placement anywhere in your home. Gain peace of mind with our SecureTech indicator. A quick glance at the red to green light tells you when it's securely locked in place. Effortlessly open the gate with just one hand. The secure handle is designed to be easy for adults but difficult for little hands to operate. This gate adapts to your needs, fitting doorways from 29 to 38 inches wide. It stands 28 inches tall, providing a secure barrier. Need a wider fit? Extensions are included to adjust the width up to 38 inches, ensuring it works for various openings. What we like? This gate offers unparalleled ease of installation, making setup a breeze. Its SecureTech indicator provides visual confirmation of a secure lock, giving you peace of mind. If you prioritize quick and secure setup without any hassle, this is the gate for you. What people say. The gate door itself opens easily for adults, but it has a double-latch safety feature that would also make it great for babies or toddlers. It's outstanding. I've had the same one since 2019. I love it, and would highly recommend. You can open and close with one hand. Someone said in a review that the gate only swings one way. Not true. At the bottom there is a plastic piece you can adjust to make it only open one way or the other way or both ways. Very sturdy, looks great, stays looking great. The gate looks super sturdy right out the package. It's very well made and I like that the frame is a solid metal. The lock works great. I love that it swings both ways and lock easily by being pushed close. I feel like this gate had a ton of great features and a really good value. It fit great and was a very easy installation. I would definitely buy another one if I needed. Number 4. Jungle Gym Kingdom Swing Seat Replacement Kit, Green. Transform your backyard into a fun zone. This heavy-duty swing set replacement brings the quality of a school playground right to your home. You can even create a DIY swing on your porch or in a tree. Designed with safety in mind, its plastic-coated chains are pinch-free and snag-free. It's stable and can hold up to 300 pounds, so both kids and adults can enjoy the ride. Crafted from durable materials, this swing is built to withstand rough play from kids, the elements, and even enthusiastic adults. It's made to last for years of enjoyment. Get ready for fun in minutes. It arrives fully assembled and ready to hang. Just use the included snap hooks to attach it to your existing swing set. Easily adjust the height to fit your needs. Simply move the snap hook to a lower link on the chain for a shorter swing. Perfect for users of all sizes. Your kit includes one pre-assembled swing seat, heavy-duty chains, and 2 metal snap hooks. Everything you need to get started, just hang it up and play. What we like? This swing replacement kit brings playground-grade durability to your backyard. The plastic-coated chains ensure a safe and comfortable experience for all ages. If you're looking to upgrade an existing swing set with robust and safe components, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Great quality, held up my tornado of a 4-year-old who loves to jump and twirl and run into the swings. Very durable. Didn't crack over the summer from the hot days and it has a nice thick coating on the chains to prevent pinching. This swing was exceptionally better quality than I had anticipated. Bigger, stronger chains, good quality coating on the chains, great swing seat. Very comfortable and easy for my kid to sit in and really swing. It's very sturdy and works great for my 9 and 11-year-olds. This swing would work for anyone, toddler through adult. It's well made and exactly what we were looking for. Number 3. Gym One 6-Piece Doorway Gym Indoor Playground. Turn any doorway into an exciting indoor playground for kids aged 3 to 14. They can swing, climb, and play on this awesome jungle gym designed for indoor fun. This all-in-one set transforms your space with a sensory swing, pull-up bar, and rings. It's like having a mini jungle gym and toddler climbing paradise right at home. Built from lightweight steel, it can hold up to 300 pounds. This indoor swing gym offers durability and fun for active play, perfect for rainy days. This versatile equipment fits doorways from 25 to 36 inches wide. It's a perfect fit for any room, turning an ordinary space into an indoor climbing gym. Encourage kids to ditch screens and get moving with this fantastic gift. Everyone from toddlers to teens will love this indoor active play setup. What we like? Transform any doorway into an exciting indoor adventure zone for kids. This versatile set includes multiple play elements to keep children engaged and active. If you need a fun way to encourage physical activity indoors, especially on rainy days, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Good way for them to work out some energy or try to get stronger arms. It is super sturdy. My daughter uses it every day. She loves the ladder attachment and the swing is definitely her favorite. Best investment I could have made for my son whom has autism and ADHD. He absolutely loves it, super sturdy. I've never had any issues and hold a very good amount of weight. Assembly was easy. Number 2. Monkey and Mouse Baby Swing. Experience superior quality with our durable cotton canvas swing, built on a sturdy beechwood frame. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor adventures, providing reliable entertainment. Your little one's security is paramount. Our hanging chair features a safety belt and multiple suspension points to ensure stability, offering protection and support for toddlers up to 4 years old. Discover delightful sensory play with our smooth, splinter-free beechwood toys. These attached toys encourage tactile exploration and help strengthen motor skills, keeping your baby entertained. Setting up is a breeze. This portable swing can be easily installed indoors or outdoors, whether you choose to hang it from a tree, a doorway, or a ceiling. Enhance your living space with its chic design. The natural wood elements and cotton canvas beautifully complement any nursery, bedroom, or playroom, fitting seamlessly into your decor. What we like? This swing combines a chic aesthetic with engaging sensory play for little ones. The natural wooden toys and secured design make it both entertaining and safe. If you desire a stylish and portable swing that also aids in your child's sensory development, this is an ideal pick. What people say. Quality and easy to put together. A bag to store the swing in while not using it. The size is great as we will be able to use it for a while. The hardware was all included and was very easy to figure out how to put together. This swing is nice because the instructions are easy to follow, toys are interchangeable, and you can adjust the seating to fit your baby. Number 1. All Smiles Indoor-Outdoor Sensory Swing. Enjoy endless fun indoors or outdoors with this versatile sensory swing. It's designed to provide a calming and engaging experience for everyone. Experience the benefits of calming compression therapy. This swing helps improve muscle tone, balance, and coordination through gentle vestibular input. Crafted from a blend of soft, breathable nylon and polyester, this swing is stretch-resistant and durable. It's also lead-free, phthalate-free, and machine-washable for easy care. Designed for all ages, it comfortably supports up to 300 pounds. It's perfect for children and adults, including those with sensory processing needs. Setting up is a breeze, whether indoors or outdoors. It comes with all necessary hardware and instructions for 6 different height adjustments. Created by parents for sensory-seeking children, this swing is rigorously safety-tested. It's a durable, stylish, and effective tool for sensory integration. What we like? Experience ultimate relaxation and sensory input with this versatile swing. Its double-layered, durable fabric and 360-degree swivel offer a comforting and secure experience for both kids and adults. If you or your child seek calming sensory input, improved balance, or simply a cozy spot to unwind, this swing is highly recommended. What people say. The fabric is thick and secure, the stitching is reinforced, and the mounting hardware feels rock solid. My child is constantly climbing, swinging, spinning, and hanging upside down, and the swing hasn't shown a single sign of wear or instability. It's more than just a swing, it's a creative outlet. One day it's a spinning swing, the next it's a hammock for reading, and by the afternoon it becomes part of a ninja warrior course. The fabric wraps around her like a soft cocoon. It's snug but stretchy, and it creates this safe little space where she can breathe and feel grounded. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.